how to recover hacked LinkedIn profile. So if you want to recover your hacked LinkedIn profile without your email or your phone number, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with your LinkedIn help section. Go with LinkedIn Help Center, go with LinkedIn Help, which will be under www.linkedin.com. And from here, go with your search and search for report a compromised account. After that, click on it. Now scroll down and then go with report unauthorized account access or changes. Scroll down again and then enter the report details, like enter whose account are you reporting, and then are you logged out of your account, then first name of your profile that you are reporting and the last name of the profile. And you need to provide at least one of the following, which is an email, phone number, or URL of the profile, and then scroll down and select an option. And if you want to add some attachments, you can add them as well and go with submit. After submitting this form, it might ask you to do the LinkedIn member identity verification if you are outside US, or if you are doing the account recovery outside the US, then it might ask you for the LinkedIn member identity verification. You need to fill out that form as well and then send them on their email. Once done, your account will be recovered. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.